Today, I'm sharing tips that feel like they were custom designed for you, from dress cuts to shoes and even accessories. I will show you what common styling mistakes are holding you back and how to fix them so you can easily build the look you've always wanted. The power of one-piece silhouettes and jumpsuits. Let's start with the first step. If you want to look taller, forget two-piece outfits. Fixing this single mistake will completely transform your style. Two-piece sets divide your body into two separate sections, making you look shorter than you actually are. One major issue with two-piece looks is the color contrast between your top and bottom. Even if your outfit doesn't have a strong color contrast, design details that highlight and cut across the waistline will still shorten your frame. All these problems are easily solved with a one-piece outfit. These pieces elongate your figure because they act as one continuous vertical line. While dress length is crucial, and we'll cover that shortly, if you're looking for the absolute best option, go for a jumpsuit. It's a single piece, so it's perfect, and it makes your lower body and legs look infinitely longer. A tailored jumpsuit is one of the most stylish choices out there, effortlessly designed to add instant height. You can also use smart details like vertical patterns and seams. Adding vertical cuts or pinstripes to flattering silhouettes multiplies the lengthening effect. Now let's talk about a very common mistake: closed necklines. Especially for formal wear or party dresses, high and closed necklines compress your upper body, making your neck look shorter and your torso feel boxed in. To fix this, it's much better to choose extended, elongated necklines that open up your chest area. A classic V-neck is one of the most effective choices because its angle cut draws the eyes downward along your center line. Another fantastic option is a sweetheart neckline, which creates a beautiful open curve while staying incredibly elegant. Similarly, a structured square neckline opens up your collarbones and expands your upper frame vertically. Choosing these open necklines instantly gives your neck and torso a longer, sleeker appearance. Choosing the right sleeves. So, what about the sleeves? Over the past few years, puff sleeves have become very popular and trendy. There's nothing wrong with wearing trends, but we should always choose trends based on our personal style, not build our entire style around passing trends. Simple fitted sleeves are your best option. Heavy puff sleeves put too much emphasis on your upper body and add bulk, preventing your overall frame from looking long and lean. Another cut that elongates your arms is the 3/4 sleeve. Even sleeveless or strapless designs like a sweetheart bustier highlight arm length and extend your lines. To keep it simple, just steer clear of bulky puff sleeves. The exact same rule applies to skirts. A big voluminous puffy skirt adds extra width and volume to your lower body, which pulls your height down. Plus, based on the two-piece outfit rule we discussed at the start of the video, a voluminous skirt cuts your proportions and makes you look noticeably shorter. Now, if you truly love wearing skirts, there are much better options. You can go for mini skirts that sit above the knee, which expose more leg and make your lower body look much longer. On the other hand, if you prefer longer skirts, don't worry, there's a smart way to wear them too. Stick to fitted models like pencil skirts or straight-cut column skirts that hug your silhouette without adding puffiness. By the way, choosing the right skirt or dress is only half the battle. Near the end of this video, I'll reveal one tiny shoe mistake that most petite women make, and it can instantly erase all the height we just created. So, stay tuned. The golden rule of dress length. Now it's time for a very important topic, dress length. Finding the right length requires a little attention. In recent years, people have often asked me, do long dresses look better on women under 5 feet 3 inches or short ones? The truth is both. But there is one major condition. The biggest mistake you can make is choosing an awkward, indecisive length dresses that end right in that middle zone between your knee and your ankle. These middle length cuts chop your legs at an awkward angle, making them look shorter and taking away all the elegance from your outfit. So you have two clear choices. Option 1, the mini dress. As we mentioned with the skirts, a mini dress lengthens your upper torso while letting your legs take center stage. Of course, your choice of footwear here is critical, which I'll explain in just a moment. Option 2, the floor-length maxi. Be careful not to pick a maxi dress that ends awkwardly above your ankle. Look for styles that fall directly over your shoes or even feature a subtle trail behind you. Lengthening accessories. Events like weddings, birthdays, or parties aren't complete without accessories, which is great because a few smart tricks can easily add extra height. Long drop earrings. The absolute best choice for women under 5 feet 3 inches. Any accessory that adds vertical lines to your look is a huge win, and accessories are so easy to style. Long necklaces. Some women mistakenly choose short chokers. While chokers are pretty, if you follow the open neckline rule we discussed earlier, opting for a longer necklace will effortlessly elongate your upper body and torso. Accessories may be small, but their impact on your proportions is massive. Footwear, the final game changer. Now let's talk about choosing the right shoes, the final piece of the puzzle. Let's start with the mistakes. It's best to avoid ankle strap shoes. Ankle straps create a harsh horizontal line across your ankle, dividing your leg into two separate parts and making your legs look much shorter. Another common mistake is color contrast. When your shoe color contrasts sharply with your dress or skin tone, your outfit looks fragmented and blocky. To look taller, match your shoe color to your outfit to create a smooth, unbroken vertical movement from top to bottom. Alternatively, go for nude shoes. Nude heels work wonders because they blend in almost seamlessly with your skin tone. Even though nude shoes don't draw attention to themselves, that sacrifice allows your legs to look endlessly long. As for the shape, pointed toe shoes are ideal. Everyone knows heels and height, but a narrow heel paired with a sharp pointed toe gives maximum vertical length and delivers the ultimate finishing touch to your look. I've shared almost everything you need to build your best look and shine for any occasion. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments down below and I'll definitely answer. And until next time, stay radiant and stay true to your style.